Now, while Ishan was searching this worksheet, he realized that the vehicle inspection column didn't look quite right. Seems like someone made a mistake when keying in the dates. Vehicle inspections are done on the 1st and 15th of every month. However, he noticed that some cells display 16th June instead of 15th June. He wants to correct this error, and this is where Excel's find and replace function comes in useful. We can use find and replace when we want Excel to find a specific term on our sheet and then replace it with another term. You can access the Replace tool by clicking on Find and Select in the Home ribbon and then clicking Replace. The keyboard shortcut to open this window is Ctrl-H. This is the same window we used for Find, it's just the second tab. In the Find What box, just type the value you want Excel to look for. Ishan wants to find all cells displaying the incorrect date of 16th June. In Replace With, enter the new value you want identified cells replaced with, which in Ishan's case is 15th June. Now once again, you have the option of specifying advanced search criteria by clicking on Options. Now before clicking Replace or Replace All, it's good practice to make sure that Excel has identified the cells you want to replace correctly. To check, click Find Next or Find All. Find Next will show you each identified cell one by one. You can then click Replace to replace the existing value of the individual cell with the new specified value. Find All, on the other hand, will show you all instances that Excel thinks should be replaced given your instructions. You can skim through the list, and if you're confident that Excel has identified the cells correctly, you can click Replace All. Excel will then replace all cells that said 16th June with 15th June. Let's try this out. And it worked! Excel has successfully replaced 25 instances of the incorrect date with the correct date. But when using Replace All, you must be extremely careful. Replace All doesn't give you the option of skipping anything you don't want to change, so you should only use it if you're certain it won't replace anything you didn't intend it to. The Replace tool is pretty neat because it can also be used to remove terms from multiple cells simultaneously. Take a look at the Delivery Region column. Some of the regions are hyphenated, like Northwest, Northeast, Southwest, and so on. Say we wanted to remove the hyphens from all such cells. We could of course do it manually, but it would take a long time and we may even miss a hyphen or two. So here comes the Find and Replace tool to the rescue again. Now because we only want to remove any hyphens found in the Delivery Area column, let's highlight column C first. When we now click on Replace, Excel will only search and replace terms within this specified column. In the Find What box, just enter a hyphen. Since we want Excel to remove all hyphens, we leave the Replace With box blank. This means that the hyphens will be removed and won't be replaced with anything. Clicking Find All now shows us that there are 34 instances of hyphens in the Delivery Area column. This sounds and looks about right, so let's go ahead and hit Replace All. There we go. All the hyphenated words have now been replaced with compound words because the hyphens have been removed. Find and Replace is a pretty versatile tool, and it's good to practice using it. It helps us make quick revisions in case we've made repeated mistakes or need to change a particular word or phrase for another.